Great advice to build a better affiliate marketing plan. There are many benefits to you as an affiliate when doing affiliate marketing. You take pride in your blog/website, why not earn some rewards by advertising for companies that you strongly believe in? This video will show you how to make a little money off something you already enjoy doing. Be honest with your affiliate marketing links. Your readers will appreciate your candid nature and honesty. People can see these things from a mile away, and they know how to bypass you and go straight to the vendor to make their purchase and keep you from getting your cut of the deal. Affiliate programming is a gradual process that takes a while to make money from. It is important to remember that many programs give you lifetime payouts for members that you refer to their service. You must remember that affiliate advertising is not a get-rich-quick scheme, rather, it is an easy way to make some extra cash. You may have to invest a little bit of capital if you expect big results in affiliate marketing. Do not be afraid to spend some money on ad services that will allow you to better target traffic. This will ultimately increase your presence online and give you many more chances to earn big commissions. Do not agree to any kind of an exclusivity agreement. It will eliminate your ability to jump on new opportunities that may prove to be more profitable to you. There are several affiliates that do not have this restriction, so if you come across one that does, move on to the next. When you get deep into affiliate marketing, you need to keep track of ROI, or return on investment. Simply put, this is a measurement of what profit you get out of the money you spend on advertising. Fortunately, there are plenty of automatic and free ROI tools online to assist you. By measuring your ROI, you can easily compare multiple forms of advertising and see which is most cost-effective for you. Earn more on your website or blog by balancing out pay-per-click advertising with affiliate links. Affiliate links should take more of your high-profile advertising space because they earn you more money per click. Affiliate marketing programs also give you more control over the content of the advertising on your site, which is important in building up your reputation with readers. You can add incentives for your existing customers to recruit new customers. As a small internet business, offering affiliate deals is a great way to increase your traffic and profile. Just make sure you're always on the up and up with your affiliates. Do what you promise and treat the people working for you as if they're your real employees. You have now learned how to use your blog or website to earn a little bonus through affiliate marketing. Take these tips seriously, and you could get a nice little bonus from basically doing nothing except allowing a company to advertise. Very little work on your part, and it helps both you and the company out. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.